In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add another sticky note to your Mac desktop. So as you can see, I have one in here, which I can move around, edit, and so on. But in order to add a new one, what you have to do is to make sure you select it, because without selecting it, you can see it is still there on the screen. But in the top left corner, next to the Apple logo, we naturally have the app, which currently is open. So for me, it is Finder. But when I click on the sticky notes, you can see that it goes to Stickies. And then now, right next to it, I can click on a file like this and click on New Note. And when I do this, it's going to paste another one right below the existing one. And of course, to separate it, I can even click on the color and switch it, for example, to blue one. And now I have a couple of sticky notes, which I can obviously like resize, move around, and so on. And that's the way to make it more productive. Every sticky note also has the button to close it like that, and you can always come back with a new one. So that is essentially it. That's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. It's just a quick guide, but I just wanted to make it because there are a lot of people who don't really have the ability to find it right away. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more quick tips and guides like this, and I'll see you later.